Hi friend, today I will discuss how to spectral profile and any satellite image. How to calculate the view. Open the satellite image and set 8. There is satellite image and change the band combination. Standard false color 5, 4, 3. So there is the Landsat 8. So near infrared, red and green. There is the standard false color of particular satellite image. So there is the select profile tools. Another process is the raster and profile tools spectral. So okay, there is the spectral profile viewer. Spectral signature of the water ocean. Spectral signature of the ocean. Spectral signature of the water body, river. Spectral signature of the dense forest. Spectral signature of the sand. Spectral signature of the sand and spectral signature of the agricultural land. Spectral signature of the wetland. Spectral signature of the land. There is another type of spectral signature of satellite image. So there is the 7 spectral profile. There is edit is color and particular spectral. So edit and chart legend. There is the ocean. Ocean is the color is the blue and name change ocean. There is the ocean. Water body. So there is the river. There is the river and tree. The dense forest. And 4 sand. Agricultural land. Agricultural land and 6 is the woodland. There is the woodland. Woodland. Land. pollutant. There is the pollutant. There is the ocean, river, forest, sand, and agricultural land and wetland and pollutant. There is the signature create of the spectral profile. Delete. Another option is the delete plots or delete signature. Select the all and delete. So file and save as the signature. Signature save. There is the another process, tabular data. There is a tabular data, mean, spectral, plot statistics. There is the spectral. There is the spectral statistics mean. There is the spectral statistics mean of the 7 signature, the minimum value, maximum value. There is the minimum value and maximum value. Apply maximum value, standard deviation. There is the standard deviation. Various process of the standard deviation of the spectral statistics and various process. Edit chart option, x-axis, y and z-axis. So there is the ocean, river, forest, sand, agricultural land, woodland, fallow land. There is the signature of the spectral profile. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and let us update Erdas imaging software 9.2 and new version. So thanks for watching my video.